Hey everyone, this is Ryan from God Oil Supplies coming to you live on Facebook once again with an absolutely amazing tutorial that you're going to have to make and share with all of your friends. So if you're watching with us live right now, I want you to like, comment, and share this video to your essential oil groups and to all your friends so they can jump on and we can go through this essential oil tutorial together. And before I even get going, we are going to give away a $20 gift certificate to God Oil Supplies next week. And so in order to enter to win our $20 gift certificate, what you need to do is comment below this video which essential oil you love to share the most, because we want to hear from our fans. And so if you want to win $20 to GodOilSupplies.com, comment below this live video with your favorite essential oil that you love to share with newbies to essential oils, your friends, families, neighbors. We want to know which essential oils you love to share. And so for today's tutorial, you can kind of see I have a lot of stuff here in front of me. We have come up with the absolute best whipped foot cream. And today we're going to do a peppermint whipped foot cream, and it is absolutely amazing. So I just want to remind everyone to like, comment your favorite oils that you love to share. Plus share this to your Facebook groups, to your business pages. Let other people know. And hey, the more you share it, the more people will see it, and the greater chances you have of having someone see this tutorial and making it for you. Because this tutorial makes a great gift, and you're going to want to share this with all of your friends and family. So for demonstration purposes, we've kind of condensed the making of this foot cream, but I'm going to go through all the steps with you, and I do want to mention that all of these steps will be on our blog, and we're going to attach our blog link as soon as this video is over. So you don't need to worry about writing down the ingredients or the instructions. It will all be on our blog, and I'm guaranteed that you are going to want to go to our blog and get this. And so again, comment below your favorite oil to share to win 20, and just share it. Share the love. And also, if you really like God Oil Supplies, we would so appreciate it if you would just leave us a kind review on Facebook. We would really appreciate that. Hey, and also I want to mention that before we get started with our tutorial, that if you live in Utah and you love essential oils and you are a social media expert, we are looking to hire a social media manager. And so you can message us if you know anyone in Utah that is looking for a job that has skills with essential oils and social media. So let us know. And so I'm going to start going. I'm going to review the ingredients to this amazing whipped peppermint foot cream. And this couldn't come at a better time because even though there's a lot of snow and a lot of rain in certain parts of the country during winter times, it's often a really dry time of the year. And our feet especially, take a hit. We get cracked heels, your feet just get so rough. You're always walking around in your socks and shoes. And so this is a perfect tutorial for the wintertime. And the great thing I love about all of our tutorials is that we use all natural ingredients. You know exactly what is going into the foot cream, and so there's no mystery ingredients. There's no ingredients that you can't read. So this is really great. So just to review what ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of beeswax, 4 tablespoons of shea butter, which we have on our site. Here's the African shea butter that we used in this tutorial. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of cocoa butter, which we also have on our site, and you're also going to need a half a cup of grapeseed oil, and that too we also have on our site. And so you are going to take those ingredients and you're going to put them into a double boiler. What we've done is we've just taken a glass pot, we boiled water, and then we put these ingredients inside a glass measuring cup, and we've already put them in the water so so it can begin to boil. So as those ingredients that you use, again, the beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, and grapeseed oil begin to melt in here, just always just give it a constant stir, just to help the products, help those ingredients to melt and meld together. So as we're going to let that melt for just a second longer. And while we do that, I just want to remind everyone again to like and comment below. We want to know what essential oils you love to share with your friends and family. We all have our favorite oils, and we want to know what yours is. And also, by doing so, you're going to be entered to win a $20 gift certificate to God Oil Supplies, which is absolutely amazing. And so our mixture here is almost melted. We're just going to give it another quick stir. And while this is melting, it is almost done, I just want to thank everyone who joins us live on Facebook. We understand that you have busy schedules and that your time is really important. And so we just really appreciate that you spend your time with us. We just want to thank you from God Oil Supplies for tuning in and watching our live videos. And we hope that you love these tutorials just as much as we do. And so now that our ingredients are melted, again, the beeswax, shea butter, and cocoa and grapeseed oil, we're going to pull this out. And we're going to put that right here in front of us. Turn this off. So normally what you would want to do is you would want to let this cool until it was almost solidified. But for demonstration purposes, we're not going to sit here while we wait for this to cool. But when it's practically solidified, you're going to want to add these ingredients. And the reason you want to do that is you just don't want to destroy any of the properties of the essential oils that we're going to add to your whipped peppermint foot cream. But what we need to add at this time is 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. So you can find this at any health food store. This is an optional ingredient, but I guarantee you that you're going to want it in your foot cream because it makes it so nice and creamy. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. Again, when you make this at home, just make sure that you do wait until this cools down just a little bit before adding this. So 3 tablespoons of the vegetable glycerin go right into there. And after that, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now, this vitamin E oil we also sell on our site. So, and you can find it anywhere. It's readily available. So this is 100% pure vitamin E oil. And so all you need is a half a teaspoon. So we're going to add a half a teaspoon. Perfect. Right in there. And that vitamin E oil is really going to help nourish your skin and really help hydrate your skin, because as you're well aware, your skin is the largest organ in your body. And so it's super important that we take care of it. And so it needs nutrients, and just like the rest of the body does. And so this vitamin E oil is fantastic at helping hydrate your skin. And then the final ingredient that we're going to add is our essential oil. And for our whipped peppermint foot cream, we're going to use 30 to 35 drops of peppermint oil. Now, peppermint, as you well know, is kind of it's a stimulant essential oil. And so we recommend that if you're going to use this recipe, this foot rub, that you use it in the morning. It'll help you. It'll help give you like a morning boost, especially during January. A lot of us are trying to cut bad habits. Maybe you're trying to break away from coffee and you're feeling a little sluggish in the morning. This peppermint foot cream, rub it on your feet, because your feet absorb, like the skin on your feet absorbs anything it touches extremely well. And so putting this foot cream on your feet with essential oils, it'll give you a nice boost. But if you do want to use this foot cream at night, you can replace this essential oil with any essential oil that you deem necessary. Like for night, we would use like a lavender or a Roman chamomile oil. But for our whipped peppermint, which is great for the holiday season, even though the holiday season's passed, you're going to want to pin this so you remember to have it next year, because this makes an amazing gift. So we're going to add our essential oil. and this might take a little bit. And we're just going to speed this up and say that was 30 to 35 drops. We'll add a couple more because it really wasn't. Here we go. So remember, 30 to 35 drops of your favorite essential oil. For this one, we're going to use peppermint. But if you wanted to use it at nighttime, we recommend using like a lavender or chamomile. And again, we want to know what your favorite essential oil is to share. So comment below this video. Let us know what your favorite essential oils are that you give to newbies, to your friends, family. We want to know what your favorite essential oils are. Just by doing, you're going to enter to win a $20 gift certificate to godoilsupplies.com. So once you add these products, you're just gonna want to give it a stir. Make sure everything gets mixed up really well, and then you're going to let this sit at room temperature until it solidifies. Now, you can put it in the fridge or freezer if you're in a hurry, or you can just leave it on the counter. Whatever you prefer, depends on your time crunch. And so once this solidifies, it is going to look like this. And so you can see how creamy this already looks as soon as it solidifies. And so the next step to finishing our whipped peppermint foot cream is to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So we're going to do that real quick. So again, you're going to want to wait until this is solidified to do this. So you're going to get 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and you're going to evenly spread that over the solidified mixture that we just made. Just so it looks like this. Then you're going to take an electric mixer, or you can also do it in a stand mixer if you have one. Just make sure you start low so you don't get the cornstarch all over you or the kitchen. So we're going to turn this on low. We're just going to mix this up for about 20 to 30 seconds. Perfect. And even though it looks like frosting, don't eat it. But to also make sure that you don't waste all this delicious foot cream that is left on the mixers. So once you whip it up, in fact, I won't even touch it. I'll just show you. Let me just show you how beautiful that is. And so it's extremely whipped. It's fluffy. It should look like should have like a frosting texture when it's all made and done. And then all you need to do from this point is this recipe will fit in 1 250 ml jar like we have here. And you can see our example. You see how nice and full that is and how whipped it is. Let me get a little bit of this out. So if you just put some on my finger, you can just absolutely see how creamy this foot rub is. And even though it is a foot rub, it absolutely wouldn't hurt to use it on your hands or any other dry areas of your body. But if you wanted to give this away for gifts, you could also buy 5 of our 50 ml cream jars. Or if you wanted to make some of this and share it with lots of friends, neighbors, or if you're trying to grow your essential oil business and you want to show people how amazing essential oils are, we also have these little 3 milliliter sample plastic cream jars that you could make a ton of these and share them with people, and you can get them excited about using essential oils, because these 3 ml sample vials are absolutely amazing. And not only are a lot of these products available on godoilsupplies.com, all of our plastic cream jars are 15% off this week when you use promo CREAM. So it doesn't matter if you want the 250 or the 50 ml cream jars or the 3 milliliter cream jars. all the plastic cream jars are 15% off this week only when you use promo code CREAM. And so, and that is it. So you're just going to take this. You're going to want to keep it in a cool, dry place. You want to avoid heat and direct sunlight. And it should last you up to 6 months, but I guarantee you that you're going to use this up way before then because it is awesome. And I'm really excited for you guys to try making this at home and try using this in your daily lives because this is the absolute best recipe that we have ever found. So again, just to recap, all of this will be on our blog and we're going to post a link to our blog post. We also recommend that you pin this on Pinterest so you do not forget about this amazing recipe. This is a whipped peppermint foot cream, which we recommend you use in the morning time, but you can use other essential oils and use it during the day or at night, like a lavender or Roman chamomile. We also want you to comment with your favorite essential oil to share below, and by doing so, you'll be entered to win a $20 gift certificate that will choose a winner next week for GodOilSupplies.com. And also, GodOilSupplies.com is hiring. So if you know anyone that lives in Utah, loves essential oils, and is a social media ninja, let us know. Let them know, send us their information, we'll get in contact with them because we are hiring. So that wraps up this live video. I just need someone, there we go, someone's coming over. So hey, this is Ryan from GodOilSupplies.com, and I want to thank everyone that tuned in to watch this. Please comment below, like, share, leave us a review on Facebook if you enjoy God Oil Supplies, and we appreciate all of our fans. Have a great week. Thanks again. Bye-bye.